Hello friends, welcome to Web Application Hacking. In this week lecture, we are going to learn SQL login bypass. The login form we will use in our example is straightforward. It will contain two fields, username and password, which both are vulnerable to SQL login bypass. The backend script generate a query or validate username and password provided by the user. So you can see here this query is written quote or quote 1 is equal to quote 1. So whenever it will be reach out to database, the more two quote added will be first one in starting of this query, and the second quote is added end of the query. So it will be become space or 1 equal to 1. So you can see as per the OR gate, if any one of the statement is true, the output will always be true. So let's have a look on OR gate. So in this example you can see here this is OR gate, and if you give both input as false, your output will be false. But if you give any one of the input is true, your output is going to be true only. So in this, if any one of the condition is going to be true, this query will be going to extract all username and password from the database. Also, it will be validated that you have to enter correct username and password. So let's do practical session here. Open up your browser and I am going to do live demonstration of this vulnerability. So go to type down site here. Actually, I want to check out this on Pakistan website. So type down website as PK Pakistan, and then in URL as admin and login, because we are going to put this query in login form on the username and password field, and click on hit enter. You already in the information gathering section learned about how Google Docs works. So open up this website and try out our query. So go to here, select administrator, and I'm writing the query here 1 equal to 1 and copy it, then paste here. You have to nothing special you have to do. You have to put this query and click on oops, oh my god, you can see here only simply entry by a single query I can be accessed into this website. So let's see what we can be able to see. Oops. There are a lot of information this is containing. So let's try out in next website, and you can change password also. So click on logout. Seriously, I'm telling you, don't try it on any website because it's cybercrime. So let's paste our query here also, and let's try. We can be able to log in. Sorry, it's not working. So close this website and try it in this website. Oops, in this website is also it's not working. Try this in this website and click on sign in. Oops, we successfully log in into PC store. So it seems like any computer system store. You can change the go to here, you can change the data entry, you can add product, you can view product, and then do lot of stuff. So you can see this is the power of single query. Using this SQL login bypass, you can be able to enter into almost 20% of your sites. So the main task is to find out the perfect login panel. So for find out these login panels, we used our effective Google Docs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day.